guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a super cute DIY for you. I think you're really gonna like it. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. I'm going to be making a really spring flower arrangement in a container that I hauled just the other day. So let me show you what you'll need, okay? You're gonna need one of these little containers from Walmart that has the peas on it. And it was $4. I had that in my spring haul the other day, okay? And then I purchased these at Walmart as well. They were $5 right there. Hope you can see. Okay, no, they were $3. They were $3. That's even better. Oh, that's great, okay? So I got 2 bunches of these, okay? And then I picked up one of these foam blocks. I was at Michael's, so I just decided to go ahead and pick it up while I was in there. And it fits right down in this box perfectly. It's 4.9 by 4.9 by 4.9, okay? And then I have some of this from the Dollar Tree that I picked up probably maybe like 6 months ago or whatever, but they may have them out now because they do have the succulents out, but they just look like this. I thought they were so cute. And then I don't know where I purchased this. I've had it so long, but you can see that it was on sale for $3. It was originally $11.99 and I got it for $3. It might have been at Old Time Pottery, but I really don't know. And then you'll just need something to cut your stems with. This is going to be so easy. I don't even think you're going to need a glue gun. So let me go ahead and cut this off and put the camera down and we'll get started. Okay, so what I'm just going to do is take this right off of this. I mean, this is such a simple DIY. Well, this might be the hardest part of the whole DIY. I'll have to wait to take that off later. It's really adhered nicely. I don't know why they would put that there. Oh, okay. So what we're gonna do is just put this right down in here. It fits perfect. I didn't even take my plastic off, okay? I think that maybe helped it slide, all right? Then all I'm going to do is just take this and figure out, I want them in the center. So I'm just gonna push this one in like this, and I want it to go all the way to the bottom, okay? And then I'll put this one right here and just push it all the way to the bottom again. That is so cute, just like that. I mean, if you wanted to stop there with a little bit around it, you definitely could. They're so pretty. I love these yellow tulips. When I saw them, I think they're gorgeous. And you can play around with the leaves and everything. Okay. Then I'm going to put these. I think I'm going to put this one right here. Like that. And probably maybe this one. Right like that. And I might put this one kind of back here in the back. Okay. Just to kind of fill it in. Then all I'm going to do is just take this and stick it in where I think I may want it. Just to use as filler. This is so easy. But if you would see this out, you would pay a lot of money for something like this. Because already made arrangements are very pricey. Okay, we'll just stick this one. We'll leave that right there for now. I don't know if I want it like that or not. And then just keep filling in. I want this one in the back. I just think this is going to be adorable. And like I said, I really don't know where I got this one bunch of greenery, but I think it's so pretty. And you just have to keep playing with it until you get it like you like it. There really isn't a right or a wrong way to do it. It's just really whatever you like. I'm not crazy about this one. I think I like, maybe I want something shorter in the front. Let me look at this. This one. Yeah, I like that better. I think that looks much better. And just keep sticking it in. And nothing's glued in, so you get tired of it, you can take it out. But I just wanted something really cute for spring. Just lay that one like that, because when they're really short, they don't have much to adhere them in there, I don't think. Okay, I'm liking that. Ooh, I'm running low. Well, we'll just see what we can do. I think this is so pretty. You could definitely make it however you wanted. You could incorporate different kinds of greenery in it. It would be so pretty. Then I think I'll just take this one and put it right there. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is so pretty and happy, and it just looks like spring. I love it. It's so pretty, and it's pretty from any angle. Once I get that little piece off right there. And I need to work right in here. Need to work with that. I like that better, but I think that is so pretty. There we go. I love it. It is so pretty, but you can, it's so easy to customize your own little arrangement, and I don't have much money in this at all, but if you would see this out, like I said, you'd pay a lot of money. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.